Careful. In nature. Yazway. With the youths. Go ahead. Yes. Get them out into nature. Away from the TV. Away from the food. Let them get some exercising going. Yes. Over the bridge. Yeah. When we were younger, we had to come here a couple times for the week to get water to take home. We had to carry buckets of water from down here to fill a barrel at home so that we can have water to bathe. Oh, careful! So we can have water to bathe. Nowadays, our youth do not know this type of hard work. And this is where we collected the water from. Let's go, come on. Let's go. Yeah? Hold my hand. Nice. You must be brave. Abigail is a brave girl. Come on. Abigail is a brave girl. Let's go.
You didn't realize I was a girl? No. I was like a boy. Out to Sean. Nice one. I'll go and bed to Sean.
So, if you are down here by yourself and it's dark, what will you do?
Run.
Run where?
I would find some things and try to make a little shelter and ride on my feet.
All right.
When it's morning time, find my way home.
Now, why would you be down here in the night by yourself? Huh? You'll have to run. Run from who? Huh? Running from who?
Bill Gates and the vaccine. My foot. The fall. That was so early. What's your name?
We fell. There was a bushfire.
Huh? This one to eat. What kind of thing is that, Mommy? Why them mosquitoes up on the water?
What they call them, water sliders? Look at crab! Y'all are so not observant. Why all these crabs have one Gandhi?
Is that male crab?
It's the next morning next side.
Let me see if it can clip.
No, there's none.
It's dead.
No, it's
Hey,
not.
break off. You can break off.
Look like it break
You get
off.
They get one eye.
Is he fighting?
With the other crab.
It has two eyes.
I
It's
will
also like
see
in way.
one. To him defending himself with.
It looks sick though.
Looks sick, yeah.
You can't keep any back.
What the next?
I
That's
think
not the
it
next
was
Gandhi. Alright, leave the thing alone.
The river, because we are by the river, we can't go.
Come on this side.
The young in the mountain.
Nah. we're not reaching.
Time to turn back, people. We reach. All right, so we are on another path. Okay,
You're gonna face her room.
let's go. Nice. Come on, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Jump. Jump. Yay! Good job. Come on, let's go. I'm here with you. Nice.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Noise.
Who's making noise?
You?
How?
Because the crab will wake up and then it will slip you.
It will snip me? A crab can't snip me?
Yes.
Yeah, gave me dominion over the crab.
Mommy, I don't want no crab.
I'm in charge of the crab. What's that?
Waterfall, waterfall. Hey, hey. Waterfall, waterfall.
I can't remember what this name, you know. No, it's what? I have the app. We'll just take a picture of it after. Yeah, that's okay. I don't want that one. And jump. What's that? Okay, we're stopping right here. I say we're stopping here. Hold Abby for me. Hold Abby for me. Yeah, we're not going anywhere else. We have a 3-year-old. So, this is it right here.
So that we stick a line right here.